Let's talk about our next mental model in math. Math, like life, is a multiplicative system, and nowhere is this better summed up than in this little parable. Two campers were sitting in a tent at night. One camper turns to the other and says, "If a bear attacks us, we're in trouble, because bears can run faster than us." The other camper smiles and says, "I'm not worried about a bear attacking." And the first camper says, "Why?" The second camper says, "If a bear attacks, I don't have to be the fastest runner. I only have to be faster than the slowest runner." And the first camper says, "Well, wait, I'm the slowest runner." The first camper realized a harsh truth. All his other skills meant nothing if a bear decided to attack, because his slow speed would have turned him into a bear snack. Now, how does this relate to math? Well, in life, you'll find two types of systems. First is an additive system. Everything you add helps the system. And the other system is called a multiplicative system. Everything you add can either hurt or help the system. But some things hurt so bad, they destroy or cripple the system entirely. Have you ever heard of the theory of the weakest link? It goes like this. In a link in a chain, you're only as strong as your weakest link. Multiplicative systems have one huge constraint, and it's a principle called multiplication by zero. And here's how it works. Consider this math problem. 1 million times 52,679 times 35,243 times 0. Without a calculator, if you picked up on that last number, you could solve that instantly. The answer is 0. Why? Because the first three numbers don't matter. Once we multiply by 0, the other numbers mean nothing. The entire product goes to 0. And this principle happens with math problems as well. Suppose you're working on a math problem which requires three skills. You need to know variables, you need to know how to divide, and you need to know how to factor. Well, in your current situation, you know variables and dividing quite well, but you have no clue how to factor. This is an example of multiplying by zero. Your weakest link, in this case factoring, cancels out all your other skills for this problem. But there's magic in this principle. When students say, "I'm bad at math," or "I'm bad at algebra," or "I just don't know how to do this problem," this is an exaggeration. Oftentimes, the student doesn't know how to do one piece of the problem. And in order to fix the multiply by zero issue, the student needs to learn how to factor, and the rest will fall into place. For weakest link problems, you only need to fix the weakest link, and then try redoing your assignment. As you fix your weakest link and improve them, your potential starts to grow and grow. So the next time you struggle with a math problem, list out the skills needed for the problem. And then ask yourself, what skills in this problem don't I know? What skills are holding me back? Focus on learning the multiply by zero piece and try the problem again. The results may amaze you.